Welcome to a virtual tour of Landonline's web-based survey application. This video demonstrates key features available for capturing the three types of irregular line: water, irregular, and water centre line boundaries. The left side of the screen contains the survey workflow control bar. You will see the irregular lines wording when we hover over the wavy lines button in the panel. Left-click to open the panel for irregular lines and you will see the irregular lines in the survey. As you select a row, it highlights the line on the screen. You can right-click in the Layers cell to select the appropriate layer or layers. Next, you can select the type of irregular line, be it a water irregular or water centre line boundary. A water boundary will require a legal description. A warning triangle is provided to prompt you. Here is a list of the most common examples. A physical feature is only required when known. For example, if it is shown on the adoption source or you have surveyed the boundary for the first time. Information is provided by hovering on this blue symbol. Include the source for adopted boundaries. A similar process is followed for irregular boundaries, but a legal description is not required. However, you may select Other to add any relevant details. As this is a new irregular boundary, there is no adoption source. Selecting a water centerline boundary pre-populates the annotation. As new water centerline boundaries are not allowed by the rules, an adoption source is required. If you want to trace an irregular line from an image, you can upload and georeference an image. Trigger the process by clicking the Add Image button. You can drag and drop an image or navigate to a file manually. Let's drag and drop. Select control points in each respective screen. Two points are required, however a third gives you some redundancy. If you need to remove a pair of georeferencing points, you can click the X next to them. You can see the results of the georeferencing process on the left-hand map pane. Click Complete to see the results of the georeferencing. To draw an irregular line, click on the Draw Line button. You will get a message reminding you to complete some of the critical prerequisites for drawing an irregular line, including ensuring you have captured terminal points at the end of the line, and they are already linked. A second message may advise that you need to assess any mandatory and optional missed marks. An exception process may be required if any existing nodes in Landonline are likely to cause distortion to your irregular line. After considering the messages and completing any necessary actions, you are ready to begin drawing your line. Left-click on the start point, begin clicking down the feature you want to trace. Double-click to finish on the endpoint. You can drag any of the line vertices around or press Alt and left-click to remove a point. Click on the Confirm Irregular Line button and the line will be added to your survey. It can now be seen spatially and in your irregular line panel. You can now edit the details of your line as required. Thank you for watching.